Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's Geek Maras once again. Are you looking to improve your Quran memorization while staying productive at work? Let me show you a very simple tool that can help with that. It's called YouTube Looper. YouTube Looper is a Chrome extension that lets you loop any part of a YouTube video, which means that you can loop verses from your favorite Quran reciters, which is quite good for memorization basically. First, you just need to install this Chrome extension and go to your favorite reciter on YouTube. By the time you install the extension, you should have this icon. You can then start a new loop, right? Start record. You can set the loop. So I'm going to start this from 0 to 0 minutes and 0 seconds to say like 0 minutes to 27 seconds, and that should give me, I think, the first 5 verses of Surah Al-Waqi'ah. Set the loop and play basically. Keep the last few seconds, and you can see it has gone back to the beginning to pick up the recitation basically. Keep this on repeat while you're working. By the way, link to this extension is in the description below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.